So, good morning guys! It's already day 2 and right now it's already mag-7 na. So then, on the way kami pupunta kami ng Fisherman's. And then, diretso na kami. Oo, tapos after nun, bibili lang kami ng egg tart. And then, diretso na kami ng Hong Kong. So, these are our outfit today. Pinag-usapan, blue. Diretso natin blue. So,
doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real.
Hi guys. Nakasakay na kami sa bus. Papuntang saan ba ito?
Fisherman's.
Sakay ko lang 3A. Baka 3. Saan mo pala? So yun lang. 7 stations from there.
On the east side and you know I'm with the gang right now.
So, narito kami ngayon sa Macau. Ay, sila pala guys! Macau Fisherman's. And bumaba lang kami sa Porto. Basta tinuro lang pala sa amin ni Kuya na tumawid lang kami.
Yunset? Ano ba? Yunset yun, Yunset. Diyan na yun. Pasok.
So, ito siya.
Ito, Legend Hotel. Hindi siya mythic.
Saan kaya yung parang So, yan siya guys. Maglalakad lang kami a little. Kasi medyo malayo doon. Yun yung entrance niya talaga. Pero, hotel lang yun. Feel ko ito na yun. Kita nyo ba?
You say, do I wanna watch? Do I know what time it is right now? Yeah. It's after 2 AM and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever says is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going. Thumbing through the first ones that you left me, telling me where I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry when I feel I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed you. You said you never traded, no. And I believed you when they told me don't. But either way, you're still invited, and I can't even lie to you. Swear these days, all you say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All you hear me with is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. Oh, no, never come to me.
So, ayun guys. Dito tayo ngayon sa Fisherman's Wharf. Ito yung famous na The Colosseum like sa Rome. Ganda rin siya. Ito po yung mga nagpipictorial na 1 oras sa isang spot. Ayan. Kagabi sa Londoner, siguro mga 2 oras kaming nagpipictorial dun.
I see. So, ayan guys, nag-CR lang si Boy, but napakaganda dito guys. At recommended na maaga kayo pumunta since wala talagang tao, as in 0 people. So, recommended na pumunta na maaga para makapag-picture kayo ng mga magagandang shot. So, yun, baka bumalik na kami ng hotel kasi 9, alis na rin kami.
Y'all never come to me. Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we want. I
malayo yung Margaret's Coffee, but so, isa to sa mga famous siya, pero lagi nakikita namin.
Nasikat daw, sabi ni
Sabi ni TikTok.
Ay, sabi ni ChatGPT.
Nino?
ChatGPT.
Sino yun?
Ayun nga eh.
Yung ano, yung application.
Okay. Hindi, pero sikat kasi sa Macau ang mga ganito. Egg tart. So, isa siya sa mga talagang dapat yung i-try. It's a must. So, ano siya, for 1 pieces, 11 Hong Kong, Macau na pera.
Pataka.
And pag naman ganitong 6 na set is
65 pataka.
65.
So, 65 Mongkok man yan.
Mongkok.
Pataka.
Pataka.
65 pataka for
So,
6 piece.
Tikman natin kung worth it pa to bilhin, guys. So, let's see. So, amoyin muna natin. Amoy itlog. Na puding, pinuding. Let's try this egg tart. Egg tart ba to? Egg pie.
Egg tart.
Egg tart. Tadakimasu. Sarap siya.
Let's try.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hindi siya masyado madami. Siya nakakaumay. Tapos creamy siya. Like, nilito ko lang
Pudding yung sa gitna.
No?
Sarap.
Sarap siya. It must. Must to, guys. It's a must. You should try.
5 out of 5. Maarte ako.
Parang siyang lasang-lasa mo yung
Sarap.
egg niya na parang in-scramble. Pero matamis version. Parang dessert siya. Scrambled siya na dessert. Na nilagyan ng pie. So, ganun yung lasa niya. And kung mahilig kayo sa itlog, like her, you're gonna love this. So, we're just gonna eat and then babalik na kami sa hotel.
Ayan guys. Ang lalaki. 680. 1680.
Grabe.
Me.
So, ayan guys. Check out na kami. So, let's go.
To the first ones that you left me telling me where I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry when I feel I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed you.
Ngayon, kakain muna kami before kami umalis papuntang Hong Kong. And si Anong daw yung may alam ng restaurant na sobrang sarap daw kasi ng mga talagang ano nila dito, local foods nila. So, we are going to try. And shit ni Mama Ri dito kasi nanalo siya kahapon sa casino. So,
注文飲み物注文しようと思ってトイレ入ったら誰も注文する人来ないからじゃあこう早くこうでそういうのある
Girl, why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we want. I know you got a new nigga tryna play the part. Just cause he got a heart don't mean he got a heart. Could be standing there. I make it feel how hard is it to let you know I'm coming home. That way you could be prepared, maybe take a couple sick days and not miss pay. I don't even know what things are looking like inside of your place. How it's decorated. This thing is getting one-sided, I can't even lie to you.
ayan na guys. Ito na kami ngayon sa kakainan namin. Grab, pwede kayo, order kayo ng fresh. Ilang kukunin yung mga lobsters. Malawak siya.
Place, how it's decorated. This thing is getting one-sided, I can't even lie to you. Like, yeah. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. Y'all don't ever come to me. Y'all don't ever come to me. Yeah. All she hit me with is come and see me.
Pati paghugas, pati pag-pour.
Yan dapat.
We're gonna try this. Dito, pata siya, no?
好，那有我看起来应该没有。
Itlog yan.
Alam mo siya mas sobrang lasang-lasa ng ginger. Pinakuluan sa ginger. Pwede na, pwede ko orderin.
要被摆布明白。
Yan na ang Macau local foods.
Lén lười, lén lười. Lén lười. Lén lười. Cô chị lén lười. Lén lười. Lén lười. Lén lười. Lén lười. Lén lười. Tôi à,
Baby, take photo. Take photo. Ito daw yung pinaka-special, parang special, ano. So we're going to try their food. Their local food. Laki ng lanis na po. Try the sauce. Let's try it. Halo.
เนี่ยนี่คือเลยน่าจะดีนะ
Hindi siya makapal, hindi makapal yung balot niya. So next is we're going to try this. Malagkit siya. Inot siya.
要挺口感，要挺口感。
Kutsara mo na lang.
Kanya. Ayan.
Pwede kaming siya kung may manok.
Pwede ko masarap sa toyo soup.
好，炸豆酱油条没？
有汉堡这个虾
要一个汉堡，再加一个汉堡。
Pizza.
对，还有
Baby, 美味しかったら追加できるね。
对的。
Sorry, umay. Ayan pa guys, dumating na.
蛮好吃的。
美味しい。
有个菜好，
Sige muna tayo.
有螺丝比，除了酱油之外，有嚟包房窿嘅真
Hindi
係
ko alam
好
kung
尖
anong sauce na ito. Pero kinakain lang nila ng walang sauce. Hindi niya rin ang alin.
美味しいね、我都很好啊。
Ano yung sa loob? Hipon. Hirap yung chopstick nila. Let me try. Ay, buto. Oishi.
有米凤蒜3安，米虾
Red
饺
bean.
虾饺2安，凤凰2安，莲蓉煎米。
Lagdag nga lang sa kamay mo. So, may panibagong tinapay at kinakain niya na yung Adidas. So, ano masabi mo sa Adidas?
Sarap.
Sarap.
Iba pa rin sa Pinas pero.
Ano?
Iba pa rin yung adobo sa Pilipinas. Adobong pa.
I'm going to try this. Baby, what's it?
这样，你
Hindi siya yung munggo.
좋았어요, 그래.
Kaya ito
Tapos, ibahin.
Yan guys, tapos na kaming kumain dito sa Kaninwa Restaurant. And lahat ng food sobrang good. Kung nakakakain lang ako ng paa, tsaka yung mga pata dito, sobrang sarap. May star anise. So, to be honest, sobrang recommended tong restaurant na to. Dito kayo makakakain ng local Macau food. So, lahat ng mga nandito, local na mga taga Macau. Hindi siya mga Chinese food, mga Macau daw to. So, if you, pag may chance kayo makavisit dito, recommended tong place na to. Kaninwa.
Nabol talaga namin yung bus.
Kasi muntikan na kami iwanan.
Iwanan.
So, on the way na kami sa hotel. Pick up lang namin yung gamit namin. And then, we're going to
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong naman.
To Hong Kong.
Yeah, so goodbye Macau. So, checking out. Goodbye Macau. Bye to this hotel. Bye Macau. We're going to Hong Kong na. Bye. It was nice, but I don't like people. So let's go to Hong Kong.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Nandito na kami sa Hong Kong. Nakabalik na ulit kami sa Hong Kong. Pag-bus talaga 30 minutes lang, mabilis lang. Matutulog lang mga 30 minutes pag-agising. Ay, nandito na kami. So right now, we're going to hotel first. Actually, sana pinadala lang namin yung baggage namin. Pero kasi mabigat eh. And medyo malayo siya. From dito sa bus stop hanggang doon sa hotel is magbabas ulit kami sa 8:30. So yun yung hahanamin namin, 8:30.
I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going. Coming through the first ones that you left me, telling me where I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry when I feel I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change.
So yan guys, nasa Wong Tong Tsui Street na kami. And right now, we're going to our hotel. And naglakad na lang kami. So yun yung view dito guys. Thanks God, umaraw siya. So yun. Yung mga thunders, nag-taxi na kami, maglalakad lang kasi 10 minutes lang naman. So this is our hotel. Grabe guys. Medyo, nahirapan ako dito si Daddy. Pero, he's strong, so he can manage. So, dun yung Dorset guys. So, nauna na sila really doon kasi taxi sila.
Ni hao.
Hi. So, ito ang hotel namin dito sa Hong Kong, Dorset Swan Hong Kong. So, ang laki, ang spacious sa entrance. So, una yung makikita is ang kanilang toilet. So, napaka Pero dito guys, walang toothbrush, mga disposable. Kailangan nyo bumili sa baba or magdala kayo. And actually, sasabihin ko na to, bawal mag-video sa lobby. Kailangan sa room lang. And may pool sila dito. And dito yung kanilang. Wow! Sorry. May paano. Ganyan siya.
Yan.
And wala silang pa-sleepers. Meron silang
Baka nandito.
ref and mga something.
Eto, slippers oh. Tatlo.
Yeah, okay na siya. Okay lang. Parang mas maganda pa din sa Macau namin. So, yun lang masabi ko. Bye!